welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, I want to invite you to subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and be prepared to leave your comments down below. Today, we're gonna do another meal prep video. It's going to be some salmon, cauliflower fried rice, and some stir-fried vegetables. Stay tuned and I'll show you how I put together this really quick, inexpensive meal prep. Okay, so to the bottom of my pan, I just added my fave, this hot and spicy garlic infused oil. I also added in some crushed garlic, and then I just placed my salmon on top of that. My oven is preheated at 400, pretty straightforward, pretty simple, and I'm gonna go in with a little bit of garlic over the top of the salmon as well. For the stir-fried veggies, I had these in the freezer, and I'm trying to use what I have at home in conjunction with the little bits and pieces that I pick up in between. So we're gonna do this vegetable medley. Has broccoli, sugar snap peas, asparagus, red peppers, yellow peppers, and onions, and we're just gonna stir fry that. All right, so I have a little sesame oil, I have some soy sauce, reduced sodium, of course, adding some garlic, and a little other flavors as we go, and do a quick stir fry on the veggies, and then we'll get our cauli rice going. These are steamed in the bag, so I'm gonna pop them in the microwave for about 2 minutes just to get the chill off of it. And in the skillet, I've added my oil, and I'm gonna do an onion and some garlic. Doing the stir fry, so your heat needs to be up, and you want to just make sure your pot is well lubricated. So those colors look good. So in that pack that I got from Sam's, you get 3 of these. And I want to say that it was about $5. I'm going to hit this with a little sesame oil just to give it that authentic Asian flavor. International aisle of your supermarket. And just a few drops because it is a very, very overpowering oil, but it gives you that authentic taste. Then I'm gonna go in with some reduced sodium soy. Quick and easy. Okay, so with the cauliflower rice, you want to start it off the same way. Just to get the chill off of it a little bit, I'm going to put it in the microwave for 1 minute. I have my oil in my skillet. Okay, so I added in some green onions, about a tablespoon of the crushed garlic. I just used my kitchen shears and cut up the pieces of the green onion. took the chill off my cauli rice, so I'm gonna add that in. Right, so I added in a tablespoon of garlic. This is the fried rice seasoning that I love. I'm only gonna add just a dash of it. Just for the flavoring. Gonna add in the same sesame oil and then the soy sauce. I had a little bit of this glaze in my freezer. I think this came with some shrimp, some frozen shrimp, coconut shrimp. I usually like to keep the packets and keep them in the freezer because you never know what you're going to use them for. So I'm going to put that over the salmon. And there's the finished product. We have meal prepped for 2 days. Cauliflower fried rice. We had a spring roll that I had in the freezer. Stir-fried veggies, and the star of our show, this brown sugar honey glazed salmon. Give this video a thumbs up. If you do try it, come back and let me know down below. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment. And hit that bell on the way out to make sure that you are up to date on all of our latest videos. See you soon.